Cristiano Ronaldo, who is one of the most famous football players in the world, has a very long list of properties. Ronaldo has luxurious home in many countries. Let's know about some of his prominent homes. Emirates Award $1 million transfer and endorsement deal. Cristiano Ronaldo has also built a luxury real estate portfolio that reflects his lifestyle and roots. In the year 2022, Cristiano Ronaldo signed with Saudi Arabia Al Nassr club, giving him that highest annual salary in football history, estimated at $200 million for 2 years. According to Forbes, his net worth is over 275 million, making him one of the first footballers to hit the 1 billion mark in career earning. As much as Cristiano Ronaldo's career attracts attention, his personal life is equally interesting. In August 2025, he proposed to Georgina Rodriguez with a $10 million ring. But where does Cristiano Ronaldo actually live? Let's take a look at his most famous properties. Lisbon. Cristiano Ronaldo owned a luxury apartment on Avenida da Liberdade, which he bought in 2015 for around $2 million. In addition, he bought a 290 square meter penthouse 3 years later for $7 million, which is one of the most expensive apartments in the city. The penthouse has 3 bedrooms, a terrace overlooking the garden, a spa, a gym and 2 swimming pools, reflecting the star's healthy lifestyle. Madeira, in his hometown of Ancha, Cristiano Ronaldo transformed a former nightclub into a 7-story residence worth $8 million. The house has 2 gyms, an indoor pool and a rooftop pool overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, and is also home to some of the players' family members. Cash case between 2022 and 2023, Ronaldo invested in a luxurious mansion worth $30 million in Quinta da Marina, which include a cinema, a spa, tennis courts, 2 swimming pools, and a garage for 30 cars. England in 2030, after transferring to Manchester United, Ronaldo bought his first residence in Alderley, which cost $5.3 million. It included 5 bedrooms and indoor pool, gym, and sauna. After returning to the club in 2021, he moved into a $7 million modern home in Cheshire, which has 7 bedrooms, a swimming pool, cinema room, and high security. However, he quietly moved out due to privacy concerns. La Faenza, Madrid. During his years at Real Madrid 2009 and 2018, Cristiano Ronaldo lived in La Faenza, a high-end neighborhood in Madrid. He owned a state-of-the-art mansion with 7 bedrooms, 8 bedrooms, and indoor pool, a spa with a jacuzzi and cryogenic chamber, and a private museum for Georgina Rodriguez clothing collection. After renovation in 2024, the residence became available for rent for around $11,000 per month. Marbella, in southern Spain, Cristiano Ronaldo won a $1.6 million modern 2-story home on the Costa del Sol that includes a home theater, gym, infinity pool, LED lit garden, a high-tech kitchen. The residence blend privacy and Mediterranean styles. Italy. In 2020, Ronaldo moved to Turin, where he purchased 2 modern villas on Strada San Vito Reviglasco. This home have glass walls, spacious interior, and marble finishing. This home offers a spectacular view of the city and complete privacy, as well as tight security. After leaving Juventus, this home was rented to other players including Dusan Lauri. Saudi Arabia. After joining Al Nassr in 2022, Ronaldo and his family spent the first month in the Four Seasons Tower, where they took one of the 70 suites and spent about $3 lakhs. They later moved to a luxury villa in Al Muhammadiyah, which has a garage for 3 cars, authentic style. closet and a pool surrounded by palm trees and saw in the Netflix series I Am Georgina, USA. In 2015, Ronaldo rented an apartment in Trump Tower, Manhattan, which cost $18.5 million. It had 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 230 square meters of space. The property remained with him for several years, which he sold in 2022 for $7.18 million. Dubai. In 2024, Cristiano Ronaldo bought land on Jumeirah Bay Island, known as Billionaires Island, luxury village. In this gated community have the advantage of private beach access, spacious gardens, sea view, and being close to Burj Khalifa. Village on this island cost up to $545 million, reflecting Ronaldo's desire for exclusivity and luxury. Cristiano Ronaldo not only shines on the field but also as a strategy around the world.